Hi friends, what is BRS? BRS is form that allows individual to compare their personal bank account records to bank's record of the individual's account balance in order to recover any possible ri- discrepancies. So BRS అంటే ఏంటంటే సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మన పాస్బుక్ అండ్ బ్యాంక్ బుక్ సో పర్సనల్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ బుక్ సో మన దగ్గర ఉండే బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ అండ్ బ్యాంక్ దగ్గర ఉండే బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ ద కంపారిజన్ ఆఫ్ ద బోత్ books is called the BRS. So individual personal bank account and the bank records of the individual accounts is called the comparison of the to uncover any discrepancies. So if there are any transactions like interest charged by the bank, so in that case the entry will be in the bank, but not in our passbook like in our personal book. So we need to record that transaction. So next question. Why do we prepare BRS? To detect items not entered and errors in the cash book. First point. Second point is to ensure that cash book entries are complete. And third point, items missing from the cash book will not have been recorded in other ledger accounts and business records will be unreliable. So why do we prepare BRS friends? So ఎందుకంటే to detect items not entered. So if there are any entries missing by us, we can identify through BRS. And for every entry like purchase, like sales, so the cash will be in part of the entries. So if there are any errors in the cash book, we can identify easily through BRS only. So all the cash entries also sometimes the cash entries also can be missed by us. So cash entry and the other entry, so complete entry can be missed. So we can identify the cash book entries through BRS only. And if you're not entering these accounting entries and if the cash book is incomplete, so the business records will be unreliable. So we need to check that the cash book should not be mixed with any item and the general ledger also will be recorded fully. So in that case, business records will be reliable. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching, friends. Thank you.